Your credit score isn't a mystery. It's a math game. And today, we're breaking down exactly how long it actually takes to rebuild credit in Canada. If you're sitting with bad credit, let's say in the low 600s, how long until you can see 700 plus? Here's the truth. First, credit repair is not instant, but it moves faster than most people think, if you do it right. Let's break it down by scenario. Scenario 1. Late payments or collections. If you've missed payments or sent accounts to collections, those black marks stay on your report for 6 years in Canada. But here's the trick. Your score doesn't stay low that long. Once you start making all your payments on time again and keep utilization low, your score can start climbing in 3 to 6 months. Within 12 to 18 months, you could see a 100-plus point improvement. The negative item still exists, but it loses power over time. Scenario 2. High credit usage. If you're using more than 30% of your credit limit, even if you pay on time, your score will suffer. Drop your utilization below 30%, or even better, under 10%, and your score can improve in 1 to 2 months. This is one of the fastest fixes in the credit game. Scenario 3. No credit history. If you're starting from scratch or recovering from bankruptcy, it can feel hopeless. But here's your advantage. Clean slate. With just one secured card or low-limit credit card used responsibly, you can build a solid score in about 6 to 12 months. You'll start in the 600s and work toward that golden 700-plus range. So, how long does it really take? For most Canadians, from bad to fair, 580 to 650, 6 months. From fair to good, 650 to 700-plus, another 6 to 9 months. From good to great, 700 to 750 plus, plan for 1 to 2 years of clean behavior. The key is consistency, not quick hacks. Quick tips to speed it up. Always pay on time. Set up auto pay. Use less than 30% of your credit limit. Keep your oldest credit line open. Check reports on Credit Karma and Borrowwell. Don't apply for too many new accounts. Credit is like trust. You lose it fast, but you earn it back slowly. And when you do, it unlocks better cards, loans, mortgages, and even jobs. So stay smart, stay consistent, and your score will follow.